Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Tanna from Tanna Does Tech. And people, this is my official review of the Nuu Mobile G3. Yes, sir, yes, sir. Team lit, let's get it.
Damn, Tanna.
Now, I done had this device, this G3, for about 2.5 or 3 weeks. So, man, I use it as my daily driver and everything. And for people who know me, they know I'm a businessman and a power user when it comes to a phone. So I'm gonna tell you some things that I'm feeling about this phone. Then I'm gonna tell you some things that I'm not so much feeling about this device. No doubt about it. So let's get with the goodness first. The first thing that I'm feeling about this phone is the build quality. Man, people, for 200 bucks, $199, man, this right here is pretty much a premium built device.
He ain't lying.
Yes, sir, yes, sir. With the aluminum sides and bottoms and everything around the border, plus the clicky buttons and everything. And also, what I'm really feeling about the build quality is it has 3 buttons on the right side, but the power button is textured. You know what I'm saying? Let me put it up to the camera. You see that right there? That's a nice touch. You know what I'm saying? That's some premium stuff right there. No doubt about it. And people, the screen is absolutely fantastic. Might not be AMOLED or OLED or whatever, but it's nice for a 720p screen. The build quality on a scale of 1 to 10 definitely gets a 10 from me. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Now, the next feature I'm feeling on this phone, people, is the battery life. No doubt about it, people. Man, oh man, oh man. You see I'm rocking on 52%. Man, people, this right here is a beast on the battery life. No question about it. When I'm power using this boy on a daily and everything, I get a full day's usage out of this phone. And plus, it got some nice features on deck to where you can go ahead and tweak the settings on standby.
What?
Man, this battery in this phone definitely is that business. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Now, the next thing I'm feeling on this phone, people, is the call quality. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. People, everybody's sounding clear and robust through the speaker and everything, and people can hear me just as good. So, man, for a budget device, the G3 has excellent call quality. No doubt about it. Another thing I like about this phone is the durability. Man, oh man, oh man. A couple of days, I gotta admit, I was rocking this phone naked with no case and everything.
You must be out of your goddamn mind.
Dropped it a couple of times, and guess what? Not one mark or scuffle or anything on a G3. So it's very well built and it's durable. Man, oh man, oh man. Some other things that I like about this phone is the fingerprint sensor right there. It might not be the fastest fingerprint sensor, but guess what? It's right there. And also, I keep on saying it over and over again, if you're a subscriber to the channel and rock with me on my live streams, that the pro mode in the camera is a very, very nice touch. Man, oh man, oh man. Because the camera itself is decent, but with the pro mode, you can tweak it up a bit and make the pictures look a whole lot better. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Now, it's time to get to the things that I don't feel on this phone. Let's go. Now, the first thing that I don't like about this phone, people, man, oh man, oh man, let's take it to the bottom of the phone. No headphone jack. You know what I'm saying? It's a budget device, so you know, a lot of budget conscious people ain't rocking no earbuds and nothing like that. Nothing but Bluetooth in it.
Hell no. To the no, no, no. Yeah, to the no.
So a headphone jack would have been pretty cool on this phone. No doubt about it. And since we're on the bottom of the phone, let's keep it right here, because the next thing that I'm not feeling on this phone is the speaker phone quality. It's terrible, people. Yeah, the speaker is quite loud, but when it comes to phone conversations, it's muffled. I talked to my guy Ace Lucero a couple of days ago and everything, and I had to keep on saying and what? Because I couldn't understand what he was saying because the damn speaker was muffled. Man, oh man, oh man. So I called him back on one of my other devices, and that device sounded much, much clearer than the speaker right here. So Nuu Mobile, work on your speaker technology. Man, oh man, oh man. And lastly, the final thing that I'm not feeling about this phone is there's no good case selection, well, in my taste, because there's one company that make cases for this phone, but honestly, I wasn't feeling the designs and all that. Nuu Mobile, I know you guys are a new company and all that, and you probably got partnerships with case companies and everything coming up. Well, man, make that happen, because I'm a caseaholic and everything, And I'd rather stick with the free case than buy cases from that one company that makes cases for this phone. I'm just being honest. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So my final opinion and verdict on the Nuu Mobile G3, people, for the price of $199, man, oh man, oh man, the feature set that you get in this phone: fast charging, 64 gigs of storage out the box, man, oh man, oh man, USB-C, it is what it is, fingerprint sensor, a case, Mint Mobile, free for 3 months. People, the G3 from Nuu Mobile gets the Dan Tanna stamp of approval. Put a stamp on it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Man, I highly recommend this device. And people, let me be honest with you. I compared this device against the LG Stylo 4, and this phone right here pretty much beat the hell out of it in every category except for the Stylo pen. I mean, the stylus or whatever that came with the Stylo 4. So man, oh man, oh man. I know this is a new company, but trust me, I'm picky as hell, and this device passed the Tanna test. It is what it is. Well, alright everybody, that just about does it for this one. So if you like what you saw and like what you heard, please give your guy a thumbs up, because that's official. Yes sir, yes sir. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel to feel the whole swag and madness of Dan Tanna, then do that too, because that's official too. Alright everybody, get money, get respect, and enjoy your tech. Be easy.